Hello, my name is Nicole Duffy, and I'm currently in a master's class at Lebanon Valley College on management and technology. What I'd like to do today is just go over an article about knowledge management. It's called A Framework for Characterizing Knowledge Management Methods, Practices, and Technologies by Brian Newman and Kurt Conrad. This article basically goes through some basic terms that knowledge management practitioners use in their everyday study. What they believe is that knowledge management is not one single discipline, but it's an integration of different fields and studies that's all integrated together to create this one field of knowledge management. What they describe as knowledge management in their definition is that it is a discipline that seeks to improve the performance of individuals and organizations by maintaining and leveraging the present and future value of knowledge assets. Knowledge management systems encompass both human and automated activities and their associated artifacts. The classification that they use in this paper is to organize and classify knowledge management methods, practice, and technologies by relating them to different areas and phases of knowledge flow, and also to examine knowledge flows to understand the interactions and dependencies that are created between communicators, pieces of information, and all of the aspects of this information. Some key terms are knowledge flows, which is what they believe is how management flows through an organization. They believe that knowledge flows are comprised of processes and events and activities through which data, information, knowledge, and meta-knowledge are transformed from one state into another. Basically, they use the general knowledge model to organize all of their knowledge flows into four primary areas: knowledge creation, retention, transfer, and utilization. Knowledge creation, of course, is the creation of new information or any activities associated with an entry of new information or new knowledge into the system. Knowledge retention are all the activities that need to be done in order to retain or to keep the information that's already within the system. Knowledge transfer deals with all of the activities that are needed to transfer this flow of knowledge from one party to another. It can be communication, translation, filtering, or rendering. And knowledge utilization is all of the activities that are necessary in order to actually utilize the knowledge that are in the process. The general knowledge model allows analysts to trace individual knowledge flows by helping them to examine how knowledge enables specific actions and decisions. They also believe that within each specific knowledge area and knowledge flow, little tiny knowledge flows exist, and there are many subtitles and sub-areas of knowledge. Knowledge artifacts, including documents, files, papers, conversations, pictures, thoughts, softwares, and whatever else might be used to understand or to gain the knowledge that is needed. We also talk about explicit